ever wondered how the giant machines in factories and construction sites operate? We often see them working efficiently, but behind the scenes is a sophisticated system and incredible power. Let's step into the world of industrial machines, where human labor is amplified many times. The function of cleaning up fallen materials, such as leaves and branches, from forest floors in winter has essential implications for the ecosystem. Removing these materials protects the forest area from the risk of disease and pest spread, enhances aesthetic appeal, and creates favorable conditions for spring activities while reducing the risk of forest fires. The Jar-Crack MagnaPro ventures into the deepest forests with its steel mesh tracked wheels, serving as a self-propelled logging machine equipped with a palms crane and a modern keto forest harvesting head. Its flexible track system and powerful drive allow it to navigate rugged terrains easily. The broad reach and lifting capacity of the palms crane and the cutting features of the keto force head deliver high productivity while minimizing labor. The Liebherr Kettenbagger LH30 and Woodcracker Telestoof T4000 make a perfect duo for efficient and safe wood harvesting operations. The LH30 tree harvester features a powerful 310 horsepower engine and a flexible crawler system, allowing it to navigate any terrain. With its 15-meter-long arm and specialized cutting blade, the T4000 is a powerful hydraulic chainsaw capable of quickly cutting through large tree trunks. The giant crawler excavator equipped on a barge is the Liebherr ERR P995, used for dredging the Elbe River in Hamburg, Germany. Manufactured by the German conglomerate Liebherr, it features a 16-cylinder diesel engine delivering up to 4,000 horsepower. Additionally, the comfortable cabin helps reduce operator fatigue during extended operations. The Liebherr P995 is widely used in mining, large-scale construction, and river dredging, making significant contributions to the development and timely completion of large-scale projects. The Damcon KGS Kegelsneuer, also known as the Damcon KGS Cone Pruner, is a specialized tool for pruning and shaping various types of landscape trees, especially shrubs and woody trees. It is manufactured by Damcon, a renowned Dutch company known for its machinery and equipment for agriculture and landscaping. The Liebherr P995 excavator is a giant in the mining and construction industry. With imposing dimensions, they're standing at 14 meters tall, 22 meters long, and 8 meters wide, with a massive weight of up to 800 tons. Its 16-cylinder diesel engine provides up to 4,000 horsepower, allowing the excavator to quickly dig and transport large volumes of material up to 46 cubic meters. The Liebherr P995 is widely used in mining, construction, and dredging operations. Do you think the sea can quickly corrode such massive iron blocks like this? Next, we'd like to introduce you to the significant differences between two modern technology machines, the Fontini chainsaw and the Husqvarna K970 Fantini. The chainsaw boasts a powerful engine ranging from 15 to 30 horsepower, large cutting blades from 60 to 120 chem, and cutting depths ranging from 10 to 20 chem, suitable for deep cutting tasks on sandstone and granite. Meanwhile, the Husqvarna K970 is lighter and more flexible, with engine power ranging from 5 to 7 horsepower, cutting blades from 35 to 40 chem, and cutting depths from 12 to 14 seam, suitable for various construction and landscaping applications. The TANA Shark 440 Deteco Shredder is an incredibly efficient device for recycling tires into recycled fuel from waste. With high capacity, the machine is equipped with a 44 HD knife rotor and HD door, making it ideal for shredding car tires. It can process a large amount of material at once and transform it into perfect particle sizes of just 80 m, uniform and ready for incineration. Notably, the machine is equipped with a 90 MF sieve to accurately and efficiently separate metal from tires. A machine that has undergone multiple improvements to achieve maximum efficiency today is the Vermeer CRB hay baler. This equipment can produce 2 hay bales simultaneously without stopping, significantly increasing productivity and saving considerable time. Its continuous operation capability reduces operator fatigue and enhances production efficiency. The Vermeer CRB promises to be a significant lever in boosting productivity and cost savings in agriculture. In the construction industry, one indispensable ally is the NEX TRE NCHER Barcelona, a specialized trenching machine designed to operate efficiently on highly abrasive terrain. With the ability to trench with widths from 2 meters and depths of up to 5.5 meters, it features a chain or wheel drive system and cutting heads designed with sharp and sturdy teeth to break the strong bonds of rock quickly. The Degelman Rock King RK 9600 stone picker removes rocks and hard materials from the soil. With a capacity of up to 1 ton/hour, the machine can pick up rocks up to 61 chem in size using its rock picking mechanism. Equipped with a dual conveyor system, a vibrating rock screen, and height adjustment, the RK 9600 helps fields clean up debris. Operators can work comfortably and efficiently in all conditions with an air-conditioned cab and water spraying system. Combining the Liebherr 984 excavator and the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader creates a large-scale material extraction and transportation system for the mining and construction industries. The Liebherr 984 excavator, with its powerful digging capability and high-precision operation, complements the versatile material handling capability of the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader. The smooth coordination between these two types of machines optimizes extraction productivity, shortens construction time, and expands applications from ore mining and mineral extraction to road construction, bridges, and land reclamation. The Caterpillar D9 dozer is a powerful and versatile tool widely used in landfill sites and in various fields such as construction, mining, agriculture, forestry, and military. With its large size, powerful engine, and versatility on multiple terrains, the D9 can perform tasks such as grading, excavation, land clearing, forest management, and large-scale waste disposal. As you can observe and imagine, this giant truck is a machine that significantly contributes to the mining industry with its advanced durability and safety features. The BLA Z75710 is the world's most significant and potent mining dump truck, known for its astonishing power and size. With a weight of up to 360 tons and a payload capacity of 496 tons. This truck is a monster in the mining industry. The BLA Z75710 helps make the mining process faster, bringing more profits to the owner. As you can observe and imagine, this giant truck is a machine that significantly contributes to the mining industry with its advanced durability and safety features. The BLA Z75710 is the world's most significant and potent mining dump truck, known for its astonishing power and size. With a weight of up to 360 tons and a payload capacity of 496 tons, this truck is a monster in the mining industry. The BLA Z75710 helps make the mining process faster, bringing more profits to the owner. Contractors and businesses trust the Komatsu PC1250 crawler dozer for its robust and reliable performance, and it is widely used in Poland's mining, construction, and agricultural industries. Powered by the Komatsu SAA 60-178.5 diesel engine with a capacity of 1,150 horsepower and a strong digging force of up to 840 men, this bulldozer can efficiently move and operate in rugged terrain conditions. Thanks to the power and versatility of advanced technology, the Vermeer HG6000 Tier 4 I-wood chipper is widely used in the forestry, paper manufacturing, bioenergy, and landscaping industries. With a Cummins Quest-B 6.7 diesel engine generating 250 horsepower and a large 106 chem disc chipper system, this machine can quickly and consistently process various wood and fibrous materials. The automatic feed system and 360-degree rotating discharge chute significantly increase operational productivity. In addition to heavy industry machinery, we want to introduce you to a widely used machine in agriculture. That's the high-speed electric weeding system in the Robocrop Electric in-row lineup by Garford Farm Machinery. This advanced solution uses electrical energy to remove weeds and precisely control weed growth in crop rows. With its high-speed operation, this system saves time and labor costs. It's highly adaptable, with flexible adjustments to fit row spacing and tractor speed. The system minimizes emissions and noise pollution by using electrical energy instead of fossil fuels. The Clayas Jaguar 970 is considered an ideal corn harvester, meeting the needs of large-scale contractors and producers. With a powerful MAN-V12 engine, hydrostatic 4WD transmission system, and cutting width of up to 10 rows, it enables quick harvesting of cornfields. Advanced features such as the APS system, VARI